Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 38. If cot theta is equals to 8 over 15, where theta is acute, find sin theta. Now, cot theta is equals to 8 over 15, and it is known that cot theta simply means what? 1 all over tan theta. So if cot theta is 8 over 15, that means tan theta is equals to what? 15 all over 8. So from this now we can represent this what with on a right angle triangle, because tan theta simply means what? Opposite over adjacent. So imagine this is a theta, it simply means what? 15, and here is what? 8, opposite over adjacent. Now let's look for what the hypotenuse here for us to be able to find sin theta. Now hypotenuse from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to what? 8 square plus 15 square, which is equals to 64 plus 225. That's hypotenuse square, and hypotenuse square is equals to what? 289. Now the hypotenuse will be equals to the what? Square root of 289, which is equals to 17. Now sin theta is equals to what? Opposite over hypotenuse, which is equals to, the opposite is 15 and the hypotenuse is 17, so 15 over 17, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.